This is the worst nightmare. I gotta wait. Oh my god, it's just not my day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is DRISHTI VOHRA. If you are new here, then please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel right now. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to make your lashes look exactly like falsies. And if you are someone who does not like wearing falsies on a daily basis or does not like getting lash extensions, then this video is for you. Do watch it till the end because it's definitely going to help you, and it's something that you can do on a daily basis. So if you are someone who does not like wearing lashes or lash extension, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so let's get started. So to make your lashes, bigger and voluminous, you need a good mascara. So you definitely need to invest in a good mascara, and the mascara that I use is pretty affordable and it does the work. It's the Swiss Beauty Lift and Curl mascara. I've been using this for quite some time now, and believe me guys, it's so good. That's how the wand looks like. So before you do that, you have to curl your lashes with an eyelash curler, because some people have lashes which are not lifted naturally. So to get that look, you have to use an eyelash curler. So the eyelash curler that I use is from Vega, and this one does the work. It's pretty affordable. You can use any eyelash curler which should do the work. That's what matters. First I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna be applying the mascara and showing you guys real time. So I curl my lashes first, and I like to keep it for at least 10 seconds. So I'm gonna be doing that. Do you see the difference, guys? This one is the one that I curled and this one's not curled. It really makes a lot of difference, so you guys should definitely do this step before you go to your mascara step. Alright, so we are done with curling the lashes. Now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is applying the mascara. So I'm gonna apply one coat right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys what this mascara does. You guys see that? Look at the difference. It's crazy, right? Now I'm going to repeat the same step on my other eye. So guys, I'm done with my lashes. Now I'm going to put it on my lower lashes, and yeah, it's super simple and easy. You don't have to wear falsies every day if you are going to work, or if you're going to college or anywhere else. I mean, people of course don't wear falsies to college, but some people do. They get lash extension and stuff like that, but you do not need that, and you can just make your own lashes look like falsies. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line now. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved creating this for you all. And if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments below so that I can create videos around that. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with more such videos. Bye!